Hey there, welcome back to Tips for Recruiting the Best Employees for Your Organization. If you missed the last episode, you'll find the link in the description. Physios candidates. Just because a candidate wasn't chosen for a particular position doesn't mean they wouldn't be a great fit for another spot on your team or for the same position if it comes up again in the future. Paying attention to the quality of your candidate experience can help ensure your organization stays at the top of their dream job list.
Oh gosh, what an absolute delight, Adam.
It's been great. And can I tell you something real quick? I don't even care if I get this job, because I know I've made a friend for life.
Explore remote work arrangements. A great remote work program can put your organization at the top of the list for a much larger audience of talented individuals. Remote work flexibility helps to attract top talent from across the globe, amongst other benefits, which will really perfect your organization.
I love flexible working hours.
Use benefits to your advantage.
What is your expected salary?
5,000 a month.
6,000, okay?
For starters, a good pay scale can draw anybody's attention and pull them towards you. Keep your benefits above industry standard and add new benefits if you can afford to add them.
7,000 is my last offer already, yeah? Okay, 8,000, you are good. Wow, you're good.
Hire the sure thing.
Someone who is perfect to hire.
Past behavior is the best predictor of future behavior. Effort should be made to hire a person who has done the exact job in the exact industry from a country with a very similar culture to yours. This is because you might not be able to afford the time to train a possibly successful candidate without the right background. Be known as a great employer. If your company has a good reputation, best prospects will seek you out because they respect and want to work with your brand. Tune in next week for more tips. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.